Updating your address on Skrill is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is current. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Visit the Skrill website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Profile section, usually found in the top menu or under your account icon. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, find and click on Personal Information or Address to view your current address details. Step 4. Edit your address. Click on the option to edit your address. Enter your new address information accurately in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Make sure to check your email for any verification steps or notifications regarding the change. Keeping your address up to date is essential for account security and communication.